Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to continue talking about our list menu. On the upper right hand corner of our toolbar, we're going to have our option for list. Today we're going to discuss our address list, often referred to as your digital Rolodex. In the address book, this is going to be where you're going to house all of your digital contacts for things such as labs, referring providers, referral sources, facilities, and so on. Within that address list, you can search in the search bar by names or contact information to find what it is you're looking for. To add an address into that address list, you're going to simply use the plus sign. When you click that plus sign, you're going to enter into some information here. And this is where we're going to choose what type of address or contact you're putting into your digital Rolodex. So first we're going to start with a name. This one here we have as Danny Dental, which is a dental lab. You're also going to select the type. You have your employers, referrals, referring providers, facility, and labs. Determining what you select here is going to be where this information is available within Flow to attach into a patient's profile, and we'll touch on that in just a moment. So here we're going to select Danny Dental as a lab that we're going to use in our lab cases. Again, we have Danny Dental listed as the contact name, the lab listed as the category. We have all of their contact information that we would need, and we can add any notes or names that we want to add to that as well. Once we save the changes on the upper left or the upper right hand side, that information will be available to use in our lab order list. If we enter these in as a referring provider, that will be available in our referral section or as a referral source in our patient profile information. So let's take a look at that. Here we have our patient, Sunny, Arizona. We're going to take a look at this patient profile. Down here in the lower section, we do have the referral information, and this is where we can select from those addresses that we've just entered into our address list as part of our referral. If we use this drop-down menu, this will only provide the options from that address list that are listed as a referral source. Just the same as if we move over to our referring providers and we use that drop-down menu, only the providers that are listed as a referring provider in that address list will populate here. This eliminates the issue of having to search through that whole address list until you find what you need, because it is divided into those subcategories of what exactly you're looking for. Another area on the patient profile that you may need to enter any information would be in the billing tab. This is where you're going to have any employers, and any employers can be listed in that address list, and those would be in this drop-down menu as well. Again, all of these things are listed in your address list off of your list menu in the upper right-hand corner. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.